I'm going squid mode! So much air! Hey brother, I love crossing your rivers, mother. There isn't, remember? There wasn't, remember? We went all the way down.
I know, but I thought I saw one heading like that way.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's that one, but it doesn't lead anywhere, remember? You don't remember that? Because there was like the hard mud we could barely get through.
I remember the mud bog, but like I thought behind the mud bog to the left.
We followed it for a while. There was nothing. Ah! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Rooster's revenge! Ah! Guess that's what I get for trying to fucking roost you. Oh.
Then I look back over and you're just like cruising.
I was just like this. I looked away so the GoPro wouldn't get that tree. Just oh.
Thigh power.
Driver! And I didn't have a foot on the ground. I couldn't do anything. I was like,
Alright.
yeah, I went
Straight or go right? I don't know if we ever went right.
we did. I just don't remember what's there.
So
Just go right.
I mean, I'm assuming they all lead to the same fucking place.
Yeah, of course.
So what'd you say?
Right. Good time.
What's so fucking funny? Jesus Christ.
Holy shit!
Dude, you only see that on movies.
What's funny is that my head went into the mud.
Jesus.
Dude, I thought I was going like into it. Like I thought I was not gonna come out.
Fuck, dude. Alright, let me park my bike on that hill.
Is the GoPro good?
It's there. I can't tell if it's muddy. Hey, it's not muddy.
Is it blinking?
Yep.
Oh, thank God. Is it like in the right place? Looking in the right place?
It's like that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew there was a big mud pit here. It was all dry and you flew through it, so I was like all for it, and then I just see you go right over the bars, and I was like, oh.
I saw that was dry, so I was like, alright, boom, didn't have a chance.
You were fucking gone, dude.
Oh.
Alright, let me park my fucking bike.
I get a good Charlie horse, though.
I'll take some pictures. Do you plan on crossing it or coming back this way?
I don't even know. I just want to get out of it. Yeah, I don't think you should go through it.
You hold this for a second.
I'm just gonna walk up there. Here, I'll walk and see since I'm already fucking muddy as shit. No, it's not that bad. Yeah, it is. Okay. Ew, look at the fucking big tadpoles in there. Ew. Oh, one just fucking jumped right in front of me. Ew, ew, this place is fucking disgusting. I'm not getting it out of there. That thing is not coming out of here. Oh God.
You know, I really don't want to step in this.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even know we had this kind of mud up here.
Okay. Ready?
No, I don't
Dude,
have
I'm just sinking deeper as soon as I pull.
I don't have a ground. Alright, ready?
Go.
Pull.
I can't. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just keep pulling.
Oh, I'm not pulling. Alright, let me shut this fucking video off and I'll resume it. Alright, so we got the front out and there's tadpoles everywhere. Oh, there's a wasp. Oh, frog! I wonder if he. Ah! I wonder if he just evolved. Oh shit, he's right there. Oh.
Yeah, he's there.
Now he's there. Ah!
Oh!
Fuck that. Making progress.
I say lean and tip.
So fucking dirty.
Lean and tip. Yeah.
Lean this way? Yeah, of course, because you can't lean it the other way. Ew, they're everywhere. You just stepped on them. You just you stepped on a tadpole, you asshole.
Yeah.
One just swam in your boot.
No.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Let's do this.
Okay,
Oh, dude, there's like... Just like... Yeah. Okay, ready?
I'm about done after we get this thing out.
Oh! Look! It's swimming. I swear the fucker was just swimming. Look at him.
Like, I believe you. Bro, get that thing off my fucking seat. Those things sketch me out. Because it's like,
climbing up the side of
yo, I ain't no frog yet, but I'm finna live. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Fuck. Ow. Ah.
Fucking radiator back here.
Really? I see it. I don't know, man. How the fuck am I gonna turn this thing around? Yeah, I got it. I should be able to. I feel like I'm wiping out somebody's booty hole. One finger. Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me? Yep.
Strawberry or blueberry?
Strawberry. Oh, these special K? Fuck yes.
How many kicks?
2. He's riding back without his shirt on because he's too hot and he said he didn't give a shit. It's like 70 out.
That way, where Hunter crashed.
Yeah. There's a pricker bush that fucked us up here last week, and he's shirtless, so he wants me to go first and figure out where it is. I don't know where it is there. I think it's, it's that right there. Ah, and that one. Woo. And this one. God, dude. Ow, I got one still. He's going so slow. I would too if I was shirtless. That one got him. You can hear him screaming. That one's a pricker bush. Oh, I got it. Yeah, it clacked me in the left arm and whipped around and cack slapped me right in the back of the neck. It fucking hurt so bad. Pretty weird that there's a car here. Oh, it's all fucked up. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Somebody's dead. What?
It was a gander.
They use the jaws of life.
It'd be sick if the hood was still on when you go over it.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, you want to steal these tires later?
No. Yeah, I saw something on the news. I'm pretty sure this was like a family and they had to cut the roof off. I don't know if it was this car, but they had to cut the roof off for some family.
Fucking say that, that's scary.
No, really though.
Like children haunting me.
I don't want to. No, they lived, but. Do you even want to do it?
What?
Do you even want to do it?
I'm fine, are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Fuck you, asshole. Don't wave to me. I'm finna rev in your car wash. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up there. See you guys next time.